Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you use social media often?
Yes, I use social media frequently because it is a convenient way for me to stay in touch with friends and family, get news updates, share my thoughts and opinions, and learn about what's going on in the world.
Question number 3. What kinds of social networks do you like to use?
Depending on my needs, I like to use a variety of social networks. For example, I frequently use Facebook to communicate with friends and family, Twitter to network professionally and stay up to date on current events, and Instagram to share photos and visual stories. You can also use YouTube to watch videos and discover new content. Each of these social networks has unique features and benefits that make it useful in different situations.
Question number 3. Do you like to use Facebook?
I enjoy using Facebook because it allows me to stay in touch with friends and family, read the news, and keep up with the activities of people and organizations that are important to me. It's also an excellent way to share photos and memories with family and friends.
Question number 4. Do you prefer an information app or a chat app?
That depends on the app's purpose. If the app's purpose is to provide information, an information app might be a better fit. If the app's purpose is to facilitate communication, a chat app may be more appropriate.
Question number 5. Is social media popular in your country?
Yes, social media is widely used in my country. People of all ages use a variety of different social networks. People use social media to keep in touch with friends and family, to share photos and videos, and to stay up to date on current events and news.
Question number 6. Is it easy to find real friends on social networks?
It depends on the individual and the social network they use. Some social networks are designed to connect you with people you already know, whereas others can be used to meet and connect with new people. It is critical to be aware of the potential dangers of social media and to practice good online safety habits.
Question number 7. What kind of people do you like to be friends with on those websites?
I'd prefer to associate with people who are kind, respectful, and encouraging. People who are open to new ideas and accept different points of view. People who are open to meaningful conversations and genuinely want to get to know one another.
Question number 8. Will you use these sites more in the future?
That depends on the type of site. But in general, if the sites are useful and provide quality content, I will most likely use them more in the future.
Question number 9. Why do some people choose not to use social media?
Some people avoid social media for a variety of reasons. Some people may be uncomfortable with the amount of personal information they are sharing, while others may lack the time or desire to use social media. Furthermore, some people may become overwhelmed by the volume of information and notifications they receive from social media. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.